This started last year, 2018. The idea came up with a group of ladies, which empowerment for small businesses basically. Then I decided to lend a hand where I could assist our community, because as I know, there's a lot of youngsters that would like to go to the matric farewell, but they do not have the privilege to go to it. And also that I would say that giving back to the community, for me, it's a blessing in disguise basically, because it's not a blessing for me but for others out there also who's wanting to lend a helping hand basically. So this started, as I said, in 2018. So the reason being why I'm starting this for the year 2019, it's because giving back to those who really don't have, it is a great privilege basically. What I'm wanting to do with this idea, giving back, the whole pay it forward thing comes from giving back to those who do not have, giving back to a student who has been exceptionally through the year but they cannot afford basically to go to the matric farewell. So I came up with the idea this year in wanting to pull many sponsors in around our areas, local businesses, local business women and men, to give a helping hand to your old pair of shoes that you basically has been lying there for many years, even so old dress, handbag, anything that you can sponsor, whether it's old or new. I would like the community to step in there and to give back to those that has been doing exceptionally well. And in the Belhar area, we've pulled basically all the high schools together. I've approached the principals and teachers and they are with me in this thing basically, with to do and to strive to give back to the students who they know who's exceptionally doing well, and that they feel that they also need to do something just to step in there, also to help the learners of Belhar High, Symphony High, Excelsior High, Perseverance High. Those are the schools that I've approached so far, and if I could go bigger, I would give a helping hand to any of the other communities. This year I'm aiming to only strive and to grow myself as a young business entrepreneur, to grow myself and the people within our community, to just lend a hand to those who do not have, because every child did not ask to be here on this earth, as I can say. We are here as a privilege of God. So if we as a community can stand together and just give back to those who is unprivileged. Thank you.